Get ready to relive the glory days of motocross as Kawasaki reawakens the legendary KX500 for 2025. This is a bike that's built to dominate the tracks once again. Welcome to Biker's Choice, the place where we talk about all things bikes and everything that makes the two-wheel world so exciting. Today, we've got something epic to discuss that's bound to turn heads and send shockwaves through the motocross world. The Kawasaki KX500, one of the most iconic and beloved bikes in history, is making a major comeback in 2025. That's right, the beast from the past is back to reclaim its throne. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this legendary bike's return. A legend reborn. The Kawasaki KX500 was once a dominant force in motocross with a reputation for its raw power and incredible performance. First introduced in the early 1980s, the KX500 quickly became a favorite for professional riders and serious enthusiasts alike. Known for its massive 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, the KX500 was a beast on the track, capable of handling tough conditions and delivering insane speed. However, Kawasaki discontinued the model in the early 2000s, leaving fans longing for its return. Well, after years of anticipation, the KX500 is back, and it's even better than before. What's new in 2025? So, what can we expect from the 2025 Kawasaki KX500? Kawasaki has taken this legendary machine and infused it with modern technology while preserving the raw essence that made it famous. The new KX500 is expected to feature a cutting-edge, revised two-stroke engine designed to meet contemporary emission standards without sacrificing the performance that made it an all-time favorite. The bike's frame has also undergone some tweaks, with a focus on improving handling and stability on tough terrain. In addition to the mechanical improvements, the 2025 KX500 will likely feature updated suspension and braking systems, ensuring that riders can take on even the roughest tracks with ease. Kawasaki is also expected to introduce a more refined design, blending the retro look that fans love with a modern aesthetic that matches today's motocross machines. Why the KX500's return matters. The return of the Kawasaki KX500 isn't just about a single bike, it's about bringing a piece of motocross history back to life. For longtime fans of the KX500, it's a chance to relive the golden age of motocross with a modern twist. For newer riders, it's an opportunity to experience a machine that helped shape the sport into what it is today. Moreover, the re-release of the KX500 could spark a resurgence in interest for two-stroke engines, which have been somewhat overshadowed by four-stroke models in recent years. Kawasaki's bold decision to bring back the KX500 shows that there's still a demand for high-performance two-strokes in the motocross world, and it could even inspire other manufacturers to reconsider their own two-stroke lineups. Who's going to love the 2025 KX500? The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is not for the faint of heart. It's a bike for serious riders who know how to handle power and appreciate the raw energy that comes with a two-stroke engine. If you're someone who loves the thrill of conquering rough terrain and pushing your limits on the track, the KX500 will undoubtedly give you that adrenaline rush you crave. Whether you're a professional rider or an enthusiast who simply appreciates the classics, this bike is sure to make waves in the motocross community. Closing thoughts. With the 2025 Kawasaki KX500, Kawasaki is bringing back a true legend, and we couldn't be more excited to see how it performs in today's competitive motocross scene. It's more than just a bike, it's a symbol of the past, present, and future of motocross. Whether you're a lifelong fan or a newcomer to the sport, the KX500 is a machine that's bound to capture your imagination and leave you hungry for more. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on all the latest news in the world of motorcycles, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Biker's Choice. We'll be bringing you more awesome content about your favorite bikes, so stay tuned. See you on the track.